Do you feel like your arms are not gaining more muscle? It might be time to modify your arm workout. Healthy Hacks is giving you some of these challenging arm exercises to improve your results. 1. Chin-ups. Chin-ups use your body weight to create one of the most challenging upper body exercises. The exercise works your latissimus dorsi and biceps. However, during chin-ups your body flexes, which creates isometric strength training, working your entire upper body. How to perform a chin-up. 1. Grab the pull-up bar with your palms facing toward you. Your grip should be shoulder width apart. 2. As you breathe out, pull your torso up until your head is around the level of the pull-up bar. Keep the elbows close to the body. 3. Hold for a second. Exhale and slowly lower your torso back to starting position. 4. Repeat for the suggested amount of reps. 2. Diamond push-ups. Many of us are already practicing push-ups. Diamond push-ups use a centered hand placement for a different approach. The exercise works your triceps and chest. How to perform a diamond push-up. 1. Get on your hands and knees. Center your hands in a diamond position. 2. Lift your knees into a plank position. Keep your abs engaged. 3. Allow your elbows to bend. Lower your chest toward the floor. Press back up to the full extension. 4. Repeat for the suggested amount of reps. 3. Lying tricep extensions. Lying tricep extensions can increase the strength and size of your triceps, as well as improve flexibility in your arms. Be careful not to use too much weight or the exercise can harm your shoulders. How to perform lying tricep extensions. 1. Lie on your back while holding 2 dumbbells overhead. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Your palms should be facing in 2. Keep your arms at 90 degrees and lower them behind your head. Use the triceps to raise them back to the starting position. 3. Repeat for the suggested amount of reps. 4. Curls with bar. Curls with bar is great for people with wrist issues. The bar keeps a stationary position when you must use more stabilization with dumbbells. Curls with bar primarily works your biceps but also activates your core. How to perform curls with bar. 1. Stand up with your torso upright. Hold the barbell at shoulder width grip. The palm of your hands should be facing toward your body. 2. While holding the upper arm stationary, curl the weights forward while contracting the biceps. Continue until the bar is at shoulder level. Only your forearms should move. Slowly bring the bar back to starting position as you breath out. 3. Repeat for the suggested amount of reps. 5. Reverse curls with bar. The reverse curls with bar uses the same technique as the curls with bar. The primary difference is how you hold the bar. The reverse curl with bar requires you to hold the barbell with your palms facing out. How to perform reverse curls with bar. 1. Stand up with your torso upright. Hold the barbell at shoulder width grip. The palm of your hands should be facing away from your body. 2. While holding the upper arm stationary, curl the weights forward while contracting the biceps. Continue until the bar is at shoulder level. Only your forearms should move. 3. Slowly bring the bar back to starting position as you breath out. 4. Repeat for the suggested amount of reps. 6. Bench press. The bench press is essential for your upper body workout. The exercise works the shoulders, back, chest, and arms. Be safe and use a spotter when you bench press. How to perform the bench press. 1. Lie on your back on a flat bench. The bar should be rested above you in the rack. Grasp the bar shoulder width apart. Lift the bar from the rack. 2. Breath in and begin coming down slowly until the bar touches the middle of your chest. After a brief pause, push the bar back to starting position as you breath out. 3. Repeat for the suggested amount of reps.